Dear listeners, I'm Jackson Anefio. We'll be considering 2020 Pass Joint Admission and Matriculation Examination on the subject Biology. I appreciate your subscription to my YouTube channel, Jackson Anefio. Like, share, and also follow me with the same name, Jackson Anefio, in Facebook. Thank you. Now look at the equation. Yeast respire anaerobically to convert simple sugar to carbon 4 oxide and dash. Yeast is a microorganism, a fungi, a non-photosynthetic organism which is capable of respiring without the presence of oxygen. Now, for us to understand this answer here, to pick the correct answer for the question, you have to write a balanced chemical equation. Now you see sugar, simple sugar with big glucose, C6H12O6, without the presence of oxygen. The yeast enzyme, we put it there, produces carbon 4 oxide and what? The ethanol, alcohol, and C2H5OH, respectively. Now you also see with me, I also use this opportunity to pick out the correct answer. The correct answer is ethanol, which is here, option A. Now to balance this equation, you see carbon here is 6, carbon here is 1 and 2. So we have 2 molecules of carbon here. The equation is not balanced. To balance it, we balance the chemical equation as a coefficient. And we add 2 to this carbon 4 oxide, making carbon here to be what? 2. We also come here, carbon is 2, we add 2, making this 2 times what? 2, making it 4. Carbon is now 6. 6 at the product, 6 at the reactant. Equation is what? Balanced. We consider hydrogen, 12 molecules of hydrogen. You come here, we have what? 10 molecules here. 5 times 2, 10. Then 2 times what? The 1 here is 2. So 10 plus 2, we have it as what? 12. Hydrogen is balanced. Oxygen is 6 here. Oxygen here is what? 4. How do we have 4 here? The coefficient here, 2 times 2, give us what? 4. Then the oxygen here is what? Is 2. Because there is an invisible 1 here. Then 2 times 1 is what? 2. So you now see that we have 2 molecules of oxygen here. You add to this 4, which you are going to have what? 6 molecules. So the equation is balanced. And the correct answer is what? Ethanol. We also have another question here. Which of the following help in blood clotting? Which of the components of the blood helps in what? Blood clotting. Option A, red blood cells. Option B, white blood cells. Option C, the plasma. And option D, the platelets. As a matter of fact, let us analyze the basic physiology or the function of the red blood cell. The red blood cell function is for it to carry what? Oxygen around the body. It circulates what? Oxygen. It traps oxygen with the help of hemoglobin. Now, the basic function of the white blood cell is in what? It's fighting against microorganisms or pathogens that invade the body. It engulfs, it is a phagocytic cell. So now the basic function also is to keep the body safe for the body immune system. The plasma is the liquid components of the blood, which every other component of the blood is being submerged in. While the platelets here is the component of the blood that enhance what? Blood clotting. So the correct answer is what? The platelet. Platelet is the correct answer. Also, another name for platelets is what? The thrombocyte. You can see it in your own set as what? Thrombocyte. Also see the red blood cell here at the RBC. Another name is what? The erythrocyte. Erythrocyte. While the white blood cell, WBC, another name is what? The leukocyte. So any pattern, anything they want to use in asking the question is not a challenge. Thank you for creating time to listen to this class. I really appreciate.